Hello, everyone. Welcome. Yokuso, yokuso. Konnichiwa. Today, we're going to help someone fix their English. Yes, a listener asked me to help them with their English, and we are going to talk about how to describe the weather and how it affects you on today's episode of the Social English Podcast. Hikari, please start the show.
皆さんこんにちは。毎日少しずつ社交に使える英語の上達を目指すソーシャルイングリッシュポッドキャストへようこそ。今日はぜひもっと自信を持って英会話してみましょう。 Are you ready, Percy? Let's go!
Yes, I am pumped up and I am ready. Thank you, Hikari, for that introduction. Let's get started on today's episode of the Social English Podcast. If you are new to the podcast, welcome. Konnichiwa, yokuso. Welcome to our podcast. Thank you for coming. Thank you for listening. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. I appreciate you listening to this podcast and spending time with me. Once again, I am Percy, the host for this podcast. And today's episode, we're going to help a Japanese learner of English just like you. We're going to help them with their English so you can learn from the mistakes they made, and it will help you get better at your English every single day. But let's first relax. Let's relax. I want you to think about you and me at a cafe having coffee. Maybe a mochaccino for me, maybe a cafe latte for you. Can you hear everyone around us? Can you hear their voices speaking? I am your friend Percy that you have invited to sit down and relax at this cafe and talk about English to help you with your English, because I'm your friend and that's what I'm here to do. Okay, so today we are going to talk about the weather, rainy days, okay, and how a Japanese learner of English just like you made some mistakes. But that's okay. We are going to fix those mistakes right now on the podcast. So let's start. Now, first, I will tell you the Japanese learner of English. I will speak and talk about I will tell you what they said in English, the wrong version. Then next, I will tell you the social English, eikaiwa, correct English, the right English, okay? We're going to give you the right English with a little bit of social English in there as well. After this slow version, we will have the normal speed, normal speaking speed you would hear in the United States of America, and that will help you listen for key words. It'll help you listen to key words, listen to the patterns, the rhythm, and the flow of my English. Okay, so let's start. This is the Japanese learner of English wrong, incorrect English version. Please listen. Kite kudasai. It's rainy day. Train is delaying, so I left my home earlier, but it didn't delay as much as I thought. So I got workplace earlier. I'm in cafe. One more time. It's rainy day. Train is delaying, so I left my home earlier, but it didn't delay as much as I thought. So I got workplace earlier. I'm in cafe. Okay, so that is the Japanese Learner of English version. Did you hear any mistakes? Yes? Okay. Please say those mistakes out loud to yourself. Okay. Let's hear the social English, correct English. This is the right English. Correct social English. A Kaiwa English, conversational English. Let's listen. Please listen. Kite kudasai. It's rainy today. My usual train was delayed, so I left home earlier than usual. It actually wasn't as late as I thought it would be. I got to work early, so I'm in a cafe now. One more time. It's rainy today. My usual train was delayed, so I left home earlier than usual. It actually wasn't as late as I thought it would be. I got to work early, so I'm in a cafe now. Okay. I hope you can hear the changes to correct the Japanese learner of English. So instead of it's rainy day, we must say it's rainy today. It's rainy today. Train, number 2, the wrong, incorrect English. Train is delaying, so I left my home earlier, but it didn't delay as much as I thought. So we want to talk about us, our experience. So train is delaying is not good. Here is better. My usual train was delayed. My usual train was delayed. My usual train, we say, this is the train we usually take to work. And last, I'm in cafe. We want to say, so I'm in a cafe now. So I'm in a cafe now. Okay, so that is the corrected English version. Now, please listen one more time. This is a special for you. I will read this passage in the correct social English, and I will do it at normal speed. please listen to regular, normal speed English. 聞いてください. It's rainy today. My usual train was delayed, so I left home earlier than usual. It actually wasn't as late as I thought it would be. I got to work early, so I'm in a cafe now. One more time. It's rainy today. My usual train was delayed, so I left home earlier than usual. It actually wasn't as late as I thought it would be. I got to work early, so I'm in a cafe now. Okay. Please play that at slow 0.5 speed to practice slower English if you need to. Thank you for listening to the Social English Podcast today, and thanks for spending time with me today. I know that you learned something valuable from today's episode. If you like the show, please leave a 5-star review on Apple Podcasts. Come visit us at realsocialenglish.com, where you can get my free download, the 7 mistakes most Japanese learners of English make and how to fix them. You will also get more resources to help you get better at English every day. Please subscribe to the podcast on Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Stitcher, and now Pandora. Become a patron by helping our show. We will show you thanks by personally thanking you in a future episode. You will also get new content only there. It's at patreon.com/social English. patreon.com/SOCIALENGLISH. Share our by the way, everything there, all of the things you can do on at Patreon are in Japanese and English. Okay? Please share our podcast on your social media with your friends and follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I will see you in our next show. Hikari, please finish out the show.
今日は楽しい時間をありがとうございました。ぜひ私たちのウェブサイト realsocialenglish.com を訪問して日本語訳と役立つ情報を手に入れてください。また次回お会いしましょう。バイバイ。See you next time. Bye bye.